Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Katrina. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to customize a Sweet 16 birthday invitation using a template on Canva. Totally free, totally easy, so let's just get right into it. I started off by searching Sweet 16 birthday invitation, obviously, and you can look through everything they have. There's so many different designs. See, if you have a theme or certain colors, what fits your style. The ones that say pro are not free, and obviously the ones that don't say anything are fully customizable and free to use. So yeah, just take a look, scroll through and see what catches your eye. I went with this one that had the crown. I just thought it would be the best one. I feel like it could really fit anything, and it's just perfect for Sweet 16 princess vibe. So yeah, I'm basic. I wanted to go with like a pink and gold color scheme theme, I guess, for this invitation. So you can pick a color that's there already, or just simply Google different color codes, and you can probably find more of, because sometimes you're looking for a certain color and you can't find it in these already selected ones. So yeah, I went with that pink pearl color because I thought it looked so cute, and I really love the way it looks with the gold. So luckily this crown image you can change the color. Some images you can, some you can't. Got lucky with this one. So I made it just like a more deeper gold, and I also changed that lighter yellow text to gold. Of course, you could change the color of the text to anything you want. Obviously you want something that's going to show up on the card. I really loved the way the gold and white text look next to each other. I tried to see how I liked with the black text, but I ended up changing it back to that dark gold. So now these little glitter burst sparkles, whatever you want to call it, I kind of wanted to have I guess when I looked at this, I wanted to have it like half shimmery, well, not shimmery, but half with the gold and half just plain. I don't know, I feel like that breakup kind of looked better as opposed to it all gold, all with the little gold burst, if that makes sense. So then I just added a second page, and I'm just going through the elements tab and seeing if there's any other little graphics I can add to it. I just like to add a second page and just add all of them to it, and then when I finish, kind of look through and see what I want to add to the actual invitation. I think this is great, like if you have a certain theme or something you want to add, maybe like a candy land theme, or like something if you just want to add a little more personal touch to it. Yeah, there's so many ways you can customize this, and there's so many different options on Canva. That's why I love it, and it's free. It's so amazing. So yeah, I saw this little glitter thing. I didn't show it on here, but I think I searched like glitter or sparkle, and I think that's how I found those. But yeah, I was contemplating whether or not I wanted to add it, but I ended up deleting it because I still liked the kind of glitter border, I guess, on top, and then the rest just pink. And I really love this gold rose. I wish I could have changed the color to the darker gold because I feel like you can't really see it, but I really love the gold rose. So once you're done, just delete that second page, and that's it. Obviously you can customize the text. You can add text. If you want to keep the same text, just select any of the text you want to use and just duplicate that. And then like here, I'm just adding RSVP. You can add whatever you want, put whatever information you want. Fully customizable, so easy. So here I was going to say, once you're done, you can just save it and print it out at like Walgreens or Staples. But I just noticed this for the first time, this invitations tab. I guess you can order the invitations here on Canva and have it delivered to you, which is really cool. You can see there's different things to pick from: premium paper, matte finish, gloss finish. It comes with the envelope. I think it was like, 50 invitations for $42, and I guess with tax or whatever it came out to 50. I mean, offhand, I don't know if this is a good price for invitations. Comment down below if you know, but it's good to know. And if you are on a super duper budget, you can easily just save the image for free and send it out yourself, in an email and a text. Totally free. Even if you do I think on like Zazzle, if you do like an instant download, I think it's still like $12. So this is totally free. You can customize it yourself. It's really easy to do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's other things you want to see me do on Canva, and I would love so much if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. Bye.